Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of education, where a simple tool can make a huge difference in a student's success. I'm Susan, and in this video, we're going to be exploring creating a rubric. Rubrics, while sometimes seen as time-consuming, are actually a game changer for both educators and students. They provide clear guidelines, ensuring that everyone is on the same page, and they offer invaluable feedback that drives student growth. So let's dive in and let's go create that simple rubric. Access your course, select More Tools, Rubrics. Select New Rubric. Give your rubric a name. After selecting the name for your rubric, you can select the type. Do you want to create a holistic or analytic? I'm going to leave it here at analytic. I always select custom points. It defaults here to points, but I'm just going to select custom points. And then it defaults always to 4 levels. You have the choice if you want to reverse the level. You'll see here that level 4 is now level 1. I'm just going to leave it back. You can add a level or you can delete levels. So let's go and begin filling in each area. So in order to do that, you just have to type over top of the word here. And then to put in your criteria for each level, you just need to fill that out. So I'm just going to move ahead and get this all filled out, and we'll be right back. As you can see now, I have a little bit more of this information filled in. And before we go any further, I'm just going to go and now I want to change some values here. And I'm actually going to show you deleting a row here. So I'm going to come in and I'm just going to delete that row. Automatically changes. So now I'm going to change my point value here. I'm not going to go and do this by each level, but I'm going to do it here. So if I wanted to change that here, this one is now 8, and this one here is now 8. You can see that it's going to change the total here. And again, it's going to automatically change your point value here. So just keep that in mind that if you needed to change your levels, you can easily do that here within the end total out of each point. So let's continue. What I want to do next is I want to change the levels and I want to actually put in some words here. So I'm just going to fill these out. Now that I have this all filled in, let's keep scrolling through. You'll see down here you have the option of creating Add Criteria Group. This here is a group, and you can also add in another group. So the adding extra will be if you need to assess various aspects of an assignment separately or different set of criteria, such as grammar, usage, or writing style, you can add that separate group. The overall scores section totals the scores earned on each level for the criterion. You do not need to change anything about the overall scores section, but if you like, you can customize the names and even the point value ranges by clicking on them and in the text box. Do not delete these levels. The rubric will not function properly without them. So then let's click down and go through the options. Under Rubric Visibility, choose whether or not students can view the rubric before they complete or submit the activity, and click Close when you are finished with the rubric. Ever wonder what that status means for your rubric? Well, click over here and you will see that once it's published, it can now be attached basically to your discussion or to your assignment. So we're going to go and attach it to the assignment. Edit, Add Rubric under Evaluation and Feedback, Add Existing, click on the rubric and Add, and click Save and Close. So let's go back and check on that rubric status. You will now see that it is attached by seeing the link icon. That's how you create a rubric within D2L. Thanks for watching.